The upload file method is great for advanced users with a lot of listings, or those who have listings with a lot of different ROI values and costs, or if you have min and max saved in another file. Step 1, go to the upload file. Step 2, download both full template and blank template. Step 3, open the full template txt file, which is named as listings. Copy the content and paste it into the blank template file you just downloaded under the tab Repricing table. Step number 4, delete the row that contains the categories. Step number 5, make sure to fill the required fields, including marketplace, seller SKU, min and max prices, and also rule. For the rule, it's really important to match the exact same name as what you have in BQool. Step number 6, upload the saved txt file by clicking Upload File and make sure it's uploaded to the Repricing Central file. Don't forget to add your inbound shipping into additional costs. You could also include your shipping fees if the product is FBM. We recommend you to use your competitor analysis and Keepa to help you set your min and max prices. If you don't use Excel, Google Sheet can also be an alternative as long as you save your file as a TSB file when uploading it back to BQool. For more information, you could go to the question mark, click on it, and there's a search knowledge base which will bring you to the support site. There's also more video tutorials that you can watch and learn about the features in detail.